Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making honey bun pound cake. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you would need yellow box cake mix, brown sugar, powdered sugar, eggs, milk, sour cream, vegetable oil, baking spray, ground cinnamon, and vanilla extract. In a bowl, add 1 box of yellow cake mix, a half cup of water, and 3/4 cups of vegetable oil. Add 4 eggs. Mix in 1 egg at a time. Add 1 cup of sour cream. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of brown sugar and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Glaze a bundt pan with baking spray. Add half of the cake mixture to the bundt pan. Then add a layer of brown sugar mixture. Add the remaining cake mixture. Add more of the brown sugar mixture. Swirl the cake and sugar mixture. Bake at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Now we're going to make the glaze. In a bowl, add 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix. Once the cake is done, allow it to cool for a couple of minutes to prevent it from breaking. Remove the cake from the pan. Pour a glaze on top of the cake while it's hot. And there you have it, honey bun pound cake. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.